I just looked at that free list building website with 96 funnels for $67. Here's my honest answer. If you are a complete beginner with zero tech skills, this removes the blank page problem. You'll see how a squeeze page and download page fit together. That's it. But here's the problem. The product is called free, but you have to pay $67. That's just a psychological trick to make you think it's free. They claim you can make $10,000 to $15,000 per month. That is fantasy. These funnels do nothing without traffic. You still have to pay for ads or spend months on social media. They say the value is over $55,000. That's fake. Each report is just a generic PDF you can find for $5 on any PLR site, not $300. This is for someone who wants to spend $67 on a learning experiment, not a business. If you expect automatic income, you will be disappointed. For the same $67, buy a landing page template for $20. Hire someone on Fiverr to write a unique 10-page report for $30. Spend the rest on a domain name. That gives you one good funnel instead of 96 bad ones. Is it worth it? For 99% of people, no. Save your money. But if you buy it, use the 30-day refund guarantee. And be honest with yourself about what you're actually getting.